This initial solution will show you how to fix invite collaborator not showing on Instagram. Create a post in the first step. Then hit the tag button and then take a screenshot of this page if you don't see the invite collaborator option here. Visit your Instagram profile section now and then click or press the hamburger menu in the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy and scroll down and tap on help. Now tap on report a problem. In this section, describe your issue however you would like. The screenshot we took in the first step will then be added after you tap the upload option and select the screenshot, and all you have to do now is press the send button at the top right corner. Now that your issue has been resolved, you may return to the tag people page and select the invite collaborator option. And here we can see my problem has been fixed. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.